Okay, hello traders and welcome to our trade update video. It's Stu Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on three positions actually that we've taken in the elite room over here. You can see that right now we are just a little bit over 2,700 pounds. Okay, just getting very near to 3,000 pounds up in profit. Okay. Right, now what are all these trades all about? So we can see that we got two trades on Aussie and another trade on cable as well. Okay, so that's what we are having at the moment. So let's analyze these trades here on Aussie dollar. What we are having over here, first we did take a smart money trade. A smart money trade, what it does is that it looks to capture the turning point of the market before it confirms. Okay, and once it confirms, we let it run. And what we usually say over here at Master the Markets is we look to capture the open equity of that move. So as the move comes down and it confirms, we look to capture at least 70% of that move. So that's what that first trade is all about. Now the second trade that we did is a bar by bar based strategy. Okay, so let me just zoom in into this a bit more over here, and you can see that that particular trade over there, what we are looking to do is capture the interruptions in the market. Okay, now as you can also see that I did just remember to mention on the smart money trade is very similar to the lift off strategy as well. Now on the lift off strategy, the way that we trail our stop loss is a bit more different to the elite one, which is a bit more advanced kind of trailing stop loss mechanism. So as you can see over here in the lift off strategy, we would have trailed our stop loss to the high of this bar, which would have got stopped out by this red bar. However, in the elite strategy, we used an advanced way of trailing the stop loss, and that's why, as you can see, the stop loss is at the red point over here, and we haven't been stopped out yet because we are factoring quite smartly for accumulation purposes. Okay, that's what we have done over here, and you can see nicely we have eliminated the accumulation point and it's come back further down, and that's why you can see the nice thick profits over here, as you can see in terms of Aussie dollar. Now in terms of the other strategy, as I was just mentioning, you can see that that is a prime profit setup. What it is looking at, it's looking at a particular phase, any interruptions that we have just like this, and then we see a discrepancy, and then we take that onto the short side for trend to persist. Okay, for trend to persist. All right, so that's what we are looking at. And the similar thing what we have also over here on actually cable as well. Pretty much similar trade that we are looking at over here as well, traders, is what again is for trend to persist. Okay, so what we are looking at over here very quickly, so we got down bars. Finally we get an interruption by a green bar, right? So what we are having over here is close, lower, and finally we get an interruption with the close of this green bar being higher, as you can see over here, right? And then that's the first interruption that we have, and what we are saying here is that this interruption that we have, it'll finally revert back to its original trend, which is in the down, and will come back further down and take out this low. Okay, and that's what we project, and that's how we do this strategy, and that's why we can see that we've entered on the close of that green bar there to take it further short, and this has reverted and gone further down. Okay, so that's what you can see over here. Okay, I guess that's pretty much that in terms of the explanation and how we are taking these trades. So far, just a little bit of retracements happening, but do remember that these strategies also take the losses, and also of course these are the wins as well, but cumulatively you want to make a profit, and that's what the whole idea is. Okay, I believe this video has been useful. Do look at it. Any questions, of course, post it on our YouTube channel. And as you always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.